Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of All Light Food. Finally the winter is arriving, the time to keep yourself warm, immune and healthy. And when winter comes, the one thing that I can always think of is a cup of hot coffee and piping hot fritters. But sometimes fritters can be boring, and for those boring days, let's make two super healthy and delicious snack recipe that will go great with your tea or coffee in this chilled weather. So the first one is the vegetable oats muffin and the second one is a honey oats cupcakes. So let's go to the kitchen and bake the recipes. To make the recipe, first in a pan take 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, or you can also take the vegetable oil. Now to this add 1 inch of ginger cut into pieces. Ginger is great in cold weather, so make sure to add. Add 1/4 cup of carrots, diced. Carrots are rich in vitamin A and folate. Then 1/4 cup of green beans, which are good source of vitamin K and fibers. Then half cup of cauliflower, which are rich in vitamin C. Then 1/4 cup of green bell peppers, which are also rich in vitamin C to support our immune system. Finally, the green peas, which have the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties to fight the infections. Now add the seasonings. Start with salt to taste, about 1/4 teaspoon, and a lot of freshly ground black pepper powder. If you are making for kids, then reduce the amount. Then your favorite spice powder. I am adding curry powder. You can add cajun spices, Italian herb spices, anything that you love. Fry the vegetables till half cooked, as the veggies will also be baked later. So the vegetables are perfectly cooked. Turn off the heat and take them out. Now in a grater or a blender, transfer all the vegetables. If you don't have a grater, then either you can grind them or mash them using a rolling pin. Now cover the lid and grate the veggies finely. Once the vegetables are perfectly grated, open the lid and add half tablespoon of lemon juice for that little tangy taste. Next add half cup of whole wheat flour or multigrain flour to bind the oats. Then add half cup of rolled oats. Next a pinch of salt, as salt is already added to the veggies, and the freshly ground black pepper powder. Now close the lid and blend all the ingredients nicely. If the batter looks like dough, then add a little bit of water, around 20 to 30 ml, to bring down the consistency. At last, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and give it a last quick mix. Spray your baking tray with olive oil. Put the batter into the muffin molds. Once done, put this into the preheated oven on 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take them out and be careful while using the hot baking tray. The muffins are perfectly cooked and looks delicious. Serve them on a plate. Make sure to check the quantities of the ingredients in the description box below. So the next recipe is the honey oats cupcakes. To make the recipe, first in a bowl take half cup of melted butter, or you can also take 2 tablespoons of butter and a whole egg. Whisk to smoothen the butter. Now to this add 1 tablespoon of sugar and whisk again till the sugar is mixed with the butter. Next to this, add half cup of warm whole milk so that the butter is mixed with the milk easily. You can also add soya or almond milk as a substitute to the whole milk. Give it a whisk and using a spatula, gently mix all the ingredients. Now to this, add 1/4 cup of organic honey. And the taste of honey goes great with oats, so do try this recipe. I'm sure you will love it. Mix all the liquid ingredients. Now add the dry ingredients, starting with half cup of all-purpose flour or the white flour, or you can also use the almond flour, which goes well in this recipe. Then half cup of rolled oats. And now using a spatula, mix both the ingredients. Next, pour half teaspoon of vanilla extract. And finally, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix all the ingredients with a spatula and keep aside. Make sure no lump is formed. For baking, grease a baking tray with butter, then pour the cupcakes batter into the baking molds. Tap the tray a little bit and put it in the preheated oven on 350 degree Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take them out. Be careful of the hot tray. Using a knife or toothpick, check if it's done or not. That looks perfect. Now take them out on a plate and enjoy a healthy, yummy snack. Make sure to check the quantities of the ingredients of the honey oats cupcakes in the description box below. The honey oats cakes are super soft even after they are at room temperature. And to enjoy this snack, I need a cup of hot coffee. Let's make it. So that was it all for this video. You let me know in the comment section below what's your favorite winter special food. Our social media links are in the description box. Make sure to follow. And if you love the recipes, then do like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy and warm and immune.